Hello friends. Usually murukku is everyone's favorite, being super crunchy savory snack. It's easy and fun if you have a helping hand to make spiral shape. But if you are making it alone, here I am to share a very useful trick to speed up murukku making. First of all, choosing murukku press model also makes a big difference. If you notice, it's available in 3 models: pressing from top, rotating handle and gun model. I used all 3 models. So as per my opinion, of all, I felt rotating handle needs less effort and easy to make. Next one is gun model. Feels easy at the beginning, but pressing trigger each time is painful after a while. Traditional model needs lot of force as you need to push manually every time. It's not easy unless you are used to it. Next thing is dough consistency. You need to keep it medium soft. Otherwise, if dough is hard, it gets really tough to make murukku. As you know, the usual way of making murukku is shaping up while pressing at the same time. Instead, try making few long strings first and shape into spiral faster. This way you can focus on only one thing at a time, either pressing or shaping. No more confusion at all. If you use 3-star mold, it's even faster. Absolutely a big time saver. Make sure your dough has nice binding to press long strings without breaking. Check my video for full details with all my best tips. Keep the next batch murukku ready while you fry one batch. This way you can make murukku all alone easily. Similarly, if you want to press directly in oil, instead of using 1-star mold, use 3-star mold and speed up 3 times faster. Hope you like my tips and enjoy making murukku easily. See you again with many more amazing time saver tips. Thanks for watching.